So, hello. I've been working on this feature for some time for p2prc, and today I finished two things. One is a VSCODE extension for the browser and automatic port allocation, and I thought I could maybe just do a small video on it. So let's try this out. First of all, let's ensure that we have p2prc as a server started. In this demo, I'm just going to do this on my current machine. Let me just start that as a server here and here. Now what we're going to do is actually create two Ubuntu images or in a Docker container. We're going to give it one port. Let's replicate this process by, let's actually just start with one for now. And something interesting we can do here is if I do p2prc --vp, I have a new plugin here called p2prc VSCODE browser. So let's actually try it out. So p2prc, all I need to do is p2prc --plugin, and let me just paste the name of this, copy the name of this, and then the ID would be this server ID over here, which I've created right now. And just like that, we have started the plugin. Let's give it some time to install the dependencies. This will just take a few minutes, so let's just wait. And boom, we have finished setting it up. It took a while to run. That's because it takes a while to run VS Code, and this is based on internet connection and setup speed. But yes, we're done connecting. So now what we can do is we know this is an auto-generated port. I can just copy this. I know that I spin this up on my local machine, so I can just open my browser over here, and let's just go here, and let me just put, so my address is 0.0.0.0, this, and just like that, just give it some time to load. We have the VS Code on the browser, and it's actually, let me change the browser theme. Let's put something dark here. No, let's go for darkish. Okay, let's go for the regular dark theme. I have VS Code on my browser, and if I see here, let me just open a folder for example, and I'm just gonna put, let's just use root folder for now, but for example, and then right here, you can see I have all the information. So basically this entire VS Code instance is running inside my Docker container, and I can go here and file, let's go to terminal, new terminal, and I can run anything I want inside a touch, and anything I like. And this is just a simple example of what plugins and plugin extensions look like. You can basically, I'll do another demo showing how to do this with groups, where you can have the same plugin executed with a set of containers, and all of them will have different ports allocated on the same machine itself. So port allocations become completely automatic, which is going to be extremely convenient, especially when we think of a peer-to-peer network. Thank you for watching.